If the creamy, rich texture of cashew nuts has caught your attention, there's a reason to be happy. These kidney-shaped tropical nuts are a superfood of sorts and can do wonders for your health when eaten in moderation. Energy. Don't be fooled by their size. These small nuts pack in a punch when you want to fuel up. An ounce, 28.35 grams, of dry roasted cashew nuts will give you 157 kilocalories of energy and trumps any sugary snack. One pregnant woman, for instance, can not only make a healthy treat out of a handful of nuts but can also overcome the fatigue or weakness often seen during pregnancy. Antioxidants. Cashew nuts, along with nutrients like selenium and vitamin E, give cashew nuts their antioxidant properties. Free radicals have been implicated in a range of conditions from liver disease and cancer to Alzheimer's disease and heart disease. Bone health. An ounce of cashew offers you 622 micrograms of copper, meaning about 60% of your DV. Copper helps your body make red blood cells and collagen. Cashew nuts are a valuable source of minerals like magnesium and phosphorus, which are important nutrients for healthy bones and teeth. They also contain a small amount of bone-building calcium. Heart. Cashew nuts can help your heart stay in good shape and reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease. This is not only because of its antioxidants but also its combination of beneficial fats. One study found that when cashew nuts were incorporated into the daily American diet, it helped lower total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol. Cashews. Saturated fat is from stearic acid, a fatty acid that has a neutral effect on cholesterol levels. Lower blood pressure. High blood pressure is another risk factor for heart disease and can lead to serious health problems such as heart failure, kidney failure, stroke, and heart attack. In one study, people on a standard diabetic diet supplemented it with 30 grams of cashew nuts a day for 12 weeks and saw their blood pressure fall. Cancer. The damage done by free radicals, particularly to DNA, plays a role in the development of cancer. Therefore, including antioxidant-rich foods like cashews in your diet may help protect against cancer. If you are allergic to nuts in general, cashews can trigger a severe reaction in your body. In one comparative study of children with allergies to cashew nuts or peanuts, kids with a cashew nut allergy experienced more cardiovascular symptoms and wheezing than those who were allergic to peanuts.